HiBoost Travel 4G 2.0 RV Booster. Never worry about dead zones again. Frustrated by dropping calls or slow mobile data when your RV rolls into the middle of nowhere? Watching a buffering screen instead of enjoying your favorite show is the worst, right? Drop a comment if you've experienced spotty signal ruining your trip. It's time to rethink how your mobile devices stay connected, even in the most remote spots. Hitting the road shouldn't mean losing connection. Weak signal, slow streaming, and interrupted video calls can turn a relaxing adventure into a stressful hunt for bars. Imagine a system that automatically amplifies your reception, giving clear calls and faster data speeds, without fiddling with antennas or leaving your seat. Finally, freedom to stay connected comes to RV travelers everywhere. The HiBoost Travel 4G 2.0 RV Booster Kit is a breakthrough in mobile connectivity. Its omnidirectional roof antenna captures signals from every direction, eliminating the need for alignment every time you park. Inside, the magnetic panel antenna rebroadcasts a strong, stable signal across your RV, supporting all major U.S. carriers including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. This FCC-approved system boosts 4G LTE bands up to 50 decibel, facilitating 5G devices by strengthening underlying control signals. Installation is plug-and-play, with 30-foot outdoor and 13-foot indoor cables, plus optional AC or DC power, giving flexibility to run from your RV outlet, cigar lighter, or USB-C adapter. The Signal Supervisor app allows real-time monitoring, showing where reception is strongest and guiding antenna placement. Built to withstand shaking, extreme weather, and vibration from long trips, it ensures consistent performance. Users report transforming dead zones into usable bars for Zoom calls, video streaming, and smooth navigation. Here's one pro tip. Placing the outside antenna on the highest roof point consistently maximizes signal even in heavily forested or mountainous regions. Benefits go far beyond simply getting more bars. The Travel 4G 2.0 ensures crystal clear voice calls, faster video streaming, and reliable navigation, turning frustrating road trips into seamless adventures. RV experts rave about its omnidirectional design. No more manually adjusting the antenna every time we park. Signal just works. Influencers and reviewers highlight how it effortlessly supports multiple devices, meaning your family can stream, video call, or work from the RV simultaneously. Analysts emphasize the FCC approval and compatibility across all major carriers, guaranteeing safe, stable, and legal operation. Many users share stories of converting remote camping spots with 1 bar of reception into areas with 3 to 4 solid bars, enabling productive remote work or uninterrupted entertainment. Its robust build resists vibration, sun, and rain, while the intuitive app makes monitoring effortless, guiding users to optimize placement for peak performance. The kit's flexibility, running on AC, DC, or USB-C, ensures uninterrupted operation wherever the journey takes you. Thousands are upgrading to this booster for the peace of mind and connectivity reliability it delivers. Which feature would make the biggest difference for your trip? Comment below and see why the RV community can't stop recommending this powerhouse. Don't wait to upgrade your mobile connectivity on the road. Thousands of RV owners are already enjoying seamless calls, faster streaming, and reliable navigation with the HiBoost Travel 4G 2.0. Secure your kit today and gain the exclusive benefit of the Signal Supervisor app, providing real-time performance monitoring for optimal signal everywhere. Click the link to grab yours and experience hassle-free, uninterrupted mobile service in your RV adventures. Whether you're boondocking in the mountains or cruising coast to coast, your devices will always stay connected.